Hydropower has long been a key part of our renewable energy infrastructure. But as technology advances, so must the plants that power our world. Traditional hydropower plants often rely on outdated technology, manual operations, and are prone to costly maintenance. The current hydro fleet in the EU is aged, and it is estimated that 50% of the fleet will require upgrade actions by 2030. In particular, modernization actions related to digitalisation are required in the short to medium term in order to offer enhanced services, increased grid flexibility, environmental and socio-economic sustainability, and to foster the green and digital transitions in Europe. Digitalization empowers plants with real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, and automated controls to keep everything running smoothly. The iAMP-Hydro project will improve the digital operation of existing hydropower plants through the development of 6 expected results, which will collectively form a novel, intelligent asset management platform, in short, the iAMP. Within iAMP-Hydro, 6 different results will be achieved: condition monitoring and predictive maintenance modeling, ecological status monitoring and water management, improved weather and flow forecasting, secure, open, and transparent data sharing protocols, and the intelligent asset management platform. By validating this full package of digital solutions at a diverse set of 5 real-world existing hydropower plants in Greece and in Spain, evidence for policymaking to support the green and digital transition of hydropower will be provided. With digital systems, plants become more efficient, with predictive maintenance that minimizes downtime and maximizes performance. What is more, using sensors assure a more ecologically sustainable operation. The future of hydropower is interconnected, smart, and sustainable, powered by innovation and technology. Digital transformation is not just a possibility, it's the future of hydropower. Join iAMP-Hydro in shaping a smarter, more sustainable world. Find out more on our website, www.iamp-hydro.eu.